Hello everyone, this is Dr. N.Senthil Madasamy, Associate Professor Computer Science Engineering. Great pleasure for me to welcome you all for this session. In this session, topic to be covered is operating system. At the end of Unit 2, the students will be able to summarize the scope and laws of computer forensics for cybersecurity professionals. At the end of this session, the students will be able to understand the operating system. An operating system is a set of programs used to control and manage a computer's hardware and system resources. Forensic software tools display many different files from operating system on a suspected or victim's computer. So, investigator must know how to recognize these files. Moreover, a user interaction with a computer often is evident through an examination of the operating system. When a user starts a computer or insert a CD, the computer's operating system records all these events. The kernel is core of operating system and is responsible for communication between applications and hardware devices, including memory and disk management. When a computer is powered on, the computer executes code stored in ROM, referred to as BIOS. The basic input-output system, BIOS, start an operating system by recognizing and initializing system devices including hard drive, CD-ROM drive, keyboard, mouse, video card, and other devices. Bootstrapping is the process of running a small piece of code to activate other parts of the operating system during the boot process. The bootstrap process is contained in the ROM chip. Read-only memory (ROM) is non-volatile storage that is generally not modified and is used during the boot process. In many examinations, a computer forensics investigation removes the suspected hard drive and hard drive is then cloned or imaged. It is important for the investigator to document information about a system and its specification. For the investigator start the computers with hard drive removed to prevent access to the hard drive. Remember that the user might have password protected the BIOS, which can cause the problem for the investigator. However, some solutions are available on the internet to deal with BIOS passwords. Now we are going to see the steps to view the BIOS. First step, press the power button to start the computer. During an actual investigation, the hard drive would have already been disconnected and removed from the computer. Second step, press the F2 button on your keyboard several times to prevent the BIOS from loading. On some computers, F4 is the function key that stops the BIOS from loading. Another key also might be used to access the BIOS. Third step, use the arrow key to scroll down to the BIOS. Compare your screen with this diagram. The sequence of how the input-output devices are initialized is listed on your screen. In this summary, we learned about operating system. I mentioned references here. I hope you found this video is clear about the topic I lecture. Thank you and have a pleasant day.